Welcome everyone. This is Harsh Chaudhary from class 10A representing Presidium Sector 57 in the Space Astro Podcast Contest 2017. Let's begin. Shooting star. Did you make a wish? Well, that's what we actually do when we encounter a shooting star. But have you ever thought what really is a shooting star? Let's find out. Those shooting stars are actually asteroids. Now, what are asteroids? Asteroids are small rocky bodies orbiting the Sun. Large number of these are also found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. But the asteroid doesn't seem to have its own light. But there was a flashing of light in the case of a shooting star. Well, this happens because when an asteroid enters the Earth's atmosphere, it experiences a huge amount of friction which turns it into a fireball, which usually explodes before reaching the Earth's surface. Now, the question is, what if it does not explode before reaching the Earth's surface? And what will happen if it strikes the Earth's surface? Asteroids can cause major destruction on the planet. Depending upon the size, the impact varies. As it happened 65 million years ago, when a huge asteroid struck the Earth, leading to the extinction of dinosaurs. When the burning asteroid hit the Gulf of Mannar, the shallow waters briskly turned into steam, and the temperature of the atmosphere became 600 degrees Celsius. The dinosaurs were burnt alive. The asteroid also sent shock waves to the Earth's crust, leading to an earthquake of magnitude 11. The asteroids sound dangerous, but luckily, the asteroids of that size are very few. Now, the question is, in this 21st century, have we humans done something to protect us from asteroids? Yes, NASA has a planetary defense system which protects us from asteroids. Asteroids are preventable if they are detected early. How does the defense system protect us? For example, if a approaching asteroid is discovered, its path can be altered by using a large spacecraft which will fly along with it, acting as a gravity barrier and will slowly deflect it from its path. The second method involves sending a heavy spacecraft to strike it, which will either accelerate it or will deaccelerate, hence changing its path. The last method involves exploding a device near the asteroid. It is quite effective when there is a short amount of time.